Hello and welcome. My name is Olga. I enjoy crocheting and creating video tutorials which I share here on my channel. If you like crocheting and if you are enjoying my video tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, leave me a comment. All of these things are really helping my channel to grow. And it also motivates me to keep creating and sharing my crochet patterns and designs with you. In today's video, I will show you a simple lacy stitch that can be used for a variety of projects. There are only 2 repeating rows and they're quite simple and easy to remember. This stitch would be suitable for beginners, and the basic stitches we will be using here are only chains, single crochets and double crochets. I made a scarf using this stitch and 2 skeins of Caron Simply Soft yarn. My scarf came out 72 inches long and 10 inches wide. But of course you can easily adjust this pattern for the scarf of your desired width and length. Alright, let's get to work. I will be working with a hook size G, 4.25 millimeters. The starting chain for my scarf should be a multiple of 7 plus 6, and I will start with 48 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 48 chains and I'm ready to start my first row. Into the second chain from the hook, I will make a single crochet. Whenever I count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next chain. 1, 2. So here I make my single crochet. And then into the next chain, I make another single crochet. Next, I make 2 chains. 1, 2. And I skip 2 chains and make a single crochet into the next chain. So over here in the beginning of my row, I made 2 single crochets, then 2 chains and another single crochet. So basically I made a chain 2 space over here, but for the rest of my row, I will make chain 3 spaces. So now I make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. I skip 2 chains and into the next one I make a single crochet. Now again 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, but this time I skip 3 chains, not 2, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one I make a single crochet. Now again 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and I begin to alternate skipping 2 chains and skipping 3 chains. So over here I skip 2 chains again and then a single crochet into the next chain. Now 1, 2, 3 chains, and again I skip 3 chains on the bottom. And this is how I continue crocheting across to the last 4 chains. Here at the end of this row I have 4 chains left, and now I make 2 chains. 1, 2, I skip 2 chains and I make a single crochet into each of the last 2 chains. So 1 single crochet and my second single crochet, and first row is finished. Next 3 chains and turn, and these 3 chains will count as my first double crochet of the next row. And into the next second single crochet I make a double crochet. Next I'm going to skip the chain space and I will be working into the second chain space, and into this chain space I work 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then 2 chains, again into the same space 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and again 2 chains and 2 more double crochets worked into the same chain space. This is what it looks like. So I kind of have a shell here made of 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. Next I'm going to skip the next chain space, and into the next chain space I will work the same kind of shell again. So 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then 2 chains, again 2 double crochets, 1, 2, again 2 chains, and 2 more double crochets, 1, 2. And that's how I will continue crocheting all the way across to the last 2 single crochets. Here I am at the end of the row. I just made the last shell, then I have chain 2 space to skip, and I finished this row with a double crochet into each of the last 2 single crochets, so 1 and 2. And row 2 is finished. I start row 3 with 1 chain and turn, and I make a single crochet into the very first double crochet, and then I make a single crochet into the second double crochet. Next I make 2 chains, 1, 2, and I make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space, like this. And from this point I will make chain 3 spaces. Only in the beginning I made chain 2, but for the rest I'm gonna make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a single crochet into the next chain space. Again 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet. And I will continue crocheting this way all the way across to the last 4 double crochets. Here I am at the end of the row, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets left, and I end this row with 2 chains, 1, 2, and a single crochet into each of the last 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. And this is my third row. So remember, in the beginning I started with this row with chain 2 over here, but the rest of the chain spaces were chain 3, and I also ended with chain 2. And the reason we start and end with chain 2 instead of chain 3 is because we want to have a nice straight edge. And now all I need to do is to repeat the rows 2 and 3 for the pattern. And this is what you are going to get, a very beautiful lacy pattern. Thank you for stopping by and watching my tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.